report had been filed by the Justice S.N. Dhingra Commission in 2019 regarding the trials in the 1984 Anti-Sikh riots cases. This report had been taken on record by the Supreme Court in 2019, and in 2020 the government had assured that they have taken the report on record and will be taking certain steps regarding its recommendations. But in 2022, once again, this matter has come up before the Supreme Court, and the court has now said that they will have to peruse the report again. We're speaking to senior advocate HS Phoolka, who's been handling these 1984 anti-Sikh riots cases for the last 38 years now. So this report had pointed out several issues with the investigation and the trials.
Yes,
but
right.
now what has the court said today about this report?
You see, I told the court that a perusal of this report shows that what kind of a sham trials have taken place regarding the murders of the Sikhs in 1984. So I read one para 17, which shows that in one FIR, for 56 murders, only one charge sheet was filed. And the trial court framed the charges only regarding 5 murders. Regarding 51 murders, no charges were framed. When the witnesses appeared in the witness box, those widows gave the evidence that we have seen so and so person killing my husband. But no charges was framed regarding her husband. As a result of that, all the accused were acquitted because no charges were framed. So this is this kind of a sham trial. This is a failure of the court. This is the failure of the prosecution. This is the failure of the investigating agency. The whole system has failed. I mean, after hearing this, the court has asked me that you file a note within 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks, the court has listed the matter. They will take up and will pass a detailed order after 2 weeks. I also told the court that the Ministry of Home Affairs has not filed any status report that what action they have taken on the basis of the recommendation of the court. The court says after 2 weeks, they will take up the matter and will pass a detailed order regarding it.
So this report had also recommended action against certain police officers, particularly with regard to Kalyanpuri, where
Yes.
it was said that there were not just lapses but deliberate inaction. Has any report come from the government or to the court about what has been done in that regard?
Nothing. The government has not filed anything at all. What action they have taken on the basis of this report? Now, after 2 weeks, the court will be hearing all this, and I believe that the government will inform the court now that what they have done in last 2 weeks.
Thank you very much, sir. So this was senior advocate HS Phoolka, who's pointed out that the trials that have been conducted in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case were not done properly, and this is something that is borne out in a report that was filed in 2019. But even after 2 years, nothing has come from the centre on what will be done next. In New Delhi, this is Aneesha Mathur for India Today.